Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily important vocabulary words. The Hindu vocabulary for all competitive exams, 13 July 2021. Scandalous, adjective, discreditable. Synonyms, disreputable, dishonorable. Antonyms, seemly. Example sentence. The magazine published scandalous pictures of the movie star. Acquit, verb, absolve. Synonyms, clear, exonerate. Synonyms, clear, antonyms, convict. Example sentence. Example sentence. One was brought to trial on a charge of affray and was acquitted. Retrograde, adjective, regressive. Synonyms, negative, downhill. Antonyms, positive. Example sentence. Example sentence. To go back on the progress that has been made would be a retrograde step. Perseverance, noun, persistence. Synonyms, tenacity, determination. Antonyms, irresolution. Example sentence. Example sentence. His perseverance with the technique illustrates his single-mindedness. Bankrupt, adjective, insolvent. Bankrupt, adjective. Synonyms, bankrupted, failed. Antonyms, solvent. Example sentence. His father went bankrupt, and the family had to sell their home. Recurrent, adjective, repeated. Recurrent, adjective. Synonyms, recurring, repetitive. Antonyms, isolated. Example sentence. She had a recurrent dream about falling. Resumption, noun, restart. Resumption, noun, restart. Synonyms, restarting, reopening. Antonyms, suspension. Example sentence. Resumption of peace talks is expected soon. Latent, adjective, dormant. Synonyms, quiescent, inactive. Antonyms, manifest. Example sentence. They have a huge reserve of latent talent. Forego, verb, do without. Synonyms, go without, give up. Antonyms, keep. Example sentence. I will forego dessert tonight, I'm trying to lose weight. Affluent, adjective, wealthy. Affluent, adjective, wealthy. Antonyms, poor. Example sentence. Synonyms, rich, prosperous. I reside in an affluent neighborhood. Thank you so much for watching.